Hola, bonjour, hey y'all. My name is Shell the Beauty Belle and thank you for stopping by. Today y'all, I did this amazing beat with the Juvias Place, the Nubian Earth palette. This was one of the palettes from my birthday haul. I'm really into this palette, y'all. If y'all want to see how I got this look using this palette, stay tuned. Oh, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified. And as always, see you later. So first we're gonna do our brows, and I'm not gonna even hold y'all. If you all see my content on any social media platform, 97% of the time I am using Benefit Precisely my brow pencil. I absolutely love this pencil. It just does something for me. Like the pencil itself is like really small and it's precise, and it's just what it says. It's precise and I love it. So I'm gonna let y'all see a little bit of this brow action and how I get my brows together. So I'm just going under my brows with the Boing Bright On Concealer. It's a couple of shades lighter because I do like for my brow bone to have a highlight. This is something we do to clean up if we've overdrawn, or if we need to correct or shaping up our brows underneath. We use a concealer, and also it also hides the sparse hairs that you have if you haven't been able to clean up under your brows with the razor or wax, whichever one you do to clean up your brow hairs. Now, if you're this far into the video and you have not liked, commented, or subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just hit that notification bell also so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video or go live. Go ahead, do it now.
I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just read it and delete it, knowing you won't read it.
I also use that concealer as a eyeshadow base or primer. You can use whichever one, a concealer or a primer. So now we're going to go into the Juvias Place Nubian Earth palette. This palette caught my eye because if y'all know me, if you've been rocking with me from any social media platform, you know I absolutely love earth tones and soft glams. And this palette is that girl, y'all. Look at these colors. So I'm going in with the color, I don't remember the color right offhand, but if it has a name, some of the here lately some of the Juvias Place palettes haven't had names, but it's a lighter color. If it has a name, I'll put it in the description box. But I'm just going in to like do a transitional color, something soft to build on, you know, for me to build depth and things on. I'm just going into that color, and then I went into a darker color. I'll put that name in the description box as well to kind of build up that transition color with some depth. I love these colors. I love the color story. It's going on really smooth. Y'all excuse me, I'm recording on both on both ends. This color, it's kind of took me by surprise, that brown color. I thought it was going to be a little bit different, but look at the color payoff on this white color. It looks white, y'all. It looks like a silverish color, but it goes on like a greenish shimmer. It is so, I can't describe it. Like, seeing it on video does it no justice. You actually have to put your hand on it to swatch it. It's a beautiful color. So what I did was I started out using my finger, and then I took like a flat concealer brush and you know, started making like a half moon, you know, just following the ball of my eye to make like a little no cut crease thing. Y'all follow me? I'll just let y'all watch. So then I went into the color beside it. I was trying to like do like a gradient effect. I should have went with the brown color, the brown shimmer color at the bottom, but nonetheless, the look is still popping, y'all. I just went ahead and put that goldish color on the edge to kind of give it like a gradient effect. They almost look alike, but they're not. They're different colors. And I just blended them together to get this look, y'all.
I'm a hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be.
So I went into the brown color to kind of marry everything together, and it's blended as so. Now y'all know I don't do too much on wings, but this time I used their Real Extreme Precision Liner by Benefit, and I made a teensy weensy wing, y'all. Don't come for me. Now for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye. For skin moisturizer and skin prep, the girls that get it. And they know my holy grail is e.l.f. Super Hydrate. Y'all, I'm down to the bottom, and I'm using all of it. I ain't gonna lose none of it. So I'm just putting that on my face. This is a great moisturizer, and it's in a gel form. And I'm just gonna let that dry. Then I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. It is a perfect dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip. Yeah, that's what it is. I like both. And if you are cost efficient, then e.l.f. is the way to go. So I'm going to go into the Benefit Hello Happy Foundation. Y'all, I really love this foundation. It is like the perfect match. Do y'all see that? Like, I was really asleep on this, but now I'm woke, sis. And y'all need to wake up too. Look at the blend. The blend is giving me all the feels, y'all. I know y'all see it. I definitely would recommend you just trying it and seeing if you like it. Definitely a 10 out of 10 recommend. So I'm using the same concealers, but in a different shade to give my contoured areas a little bit of a highlight, as well as under my eye. I'm going to see what that does. Then I'm going into my Fenty Matchstick Expresso. I absolutely love this as a liquid contour. I use it all the time as my liquid contour. Yeah, that's what I said. So here I'm just going in and contouring those areas that I want to snatch in a little bit under my chin, my jawline, my nose, and stuff like that. And then I kind of got thirsty, so I just had to drink some of my water. It's actually water, y'all. But it's from Chick-fil-A, so it's the best. So I gave the concealer a little bit of time to dry down so it'll have a full coverage effect, because that's what I want, so that it'll be highlighted under my eyes as well as full coverage. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm just patting it out and blending it all in.
Going through changes. Just so mad, but now it's at my own expense.
I want y'all to take notice of how this contour stick actually shapes my nose. Y'all see it? I know you do. Now, anything that's wet, like a concealer or contour, you have to set it. So I'm setting my under eye with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake in cinnamon bun, and then I'm also setting my contour with the Hoola Toasted. I love the Hoola Toasted. Look at the color tone that it gives, y'all. It's just beautiful. What are your experiences with Hoola Toasted, as well as the Huda Easy Bake setting powder? Let me know. To give some subtle color to my cheeks as well as a little shimmer, I'm using the shade Butterfly in the Benefits blush. And then I'm going to go in and set everything so it won't move with the Max Fix Plus setting spray. After that, I'm going to go into my under eye with the Sephora eyeliner pencil. I can't remember the name. I'm going to go in now with the Browser by Crayon Case colored pencil to line my lips. I really love this pencil. I really do. As you can see, I've sharpened it like almost to the end. And the color for the lip that I'm using is by the Crayon Case also. And it is a matte lip color in the shade Gumbo. Now, Gumbo stays sold out a lot because it is a beautiful fall color. If you can't get your hands on Gumbo, definitely try Dante. And here's your look, y'all. I hope y'all really like it. It's definitely a soft glam. It's for the girls. It's for every day, and it's beginner friendly. If you like it, love it. Don't like it, let me know in the comments, and see you later.